What we're getting to look at this afternoon is a 36-inch Webster Bennett Model DH VTL. It's nice and quiet. I'm up real close here and I'm showing the serrations are still in the table. The chuck overall is in very, very good condition. Nice set of chuck jaws with the machine. Here we're seeing the table turn at 106 RPM. This unit is equipped with a Mimic 180A tracer. The tracer is fully functional and a very nice touch to those who are familiar with it or could make use of a tracer. Showing the operator panel here. This machine has 245 RPM and currently we're at 45 RPM. I'm showing a close-up shot of the cross rail of this machine, and it's in very, very nice condition. The machine operates very well. The rapid traverse is smooth. Feeds work. Full set of tool holders. This unit has a coolant pan and guarding. And there's some additional guarding around back for the front area. The machine does have coolant. This machine is available to be inspected under power by appointment, and thank you for viewing machinery video, and please check out our website www.wigglesworth.com to view our other recent additions and featured machines.